This is about Krishna Lila. Krishna Lila means the different activities or miracles of Lord Krishna. So, in this story, we will see or we can see some activities, some miracles of Lord Krishna. First of all, first picture is that is the marriage ceremony of Devki and Vasudev. Second one is Devki prayed to Kansa for imprison Devki and Vasudev instead of killing them. Third one is Vasudev and Devki are in prison in the jail of Krishna's court, Kansa's court. Kansa is killing the first newborn baby of Devki. Narayan Darshan by Devki and Vasudev during in prison. Birth time of Lord Krishna. Then Vasudev met Ugrasena while going to Gopapura by carrying the baby Krishna in a basket on the way. Eighth one is Vasudev crossing the divine river Yamuna with the baby Krishna. Ninth one is exchanging of baby Krishna with baby Bijuli Kanya. Tenth is the concierge means the lady security of Devki and Vasudev gives news regarding the birth of baby Krishna to Kansa. 11th one, Kansa snatched the baby from Devki. Then there is a divine announcement while Kansa was trying to kill that Bijuli Kanya. 13th one is Kansa was killing the lady security of Devaki by cutting her neck. 14th one there is a name ceremony occasion of Krishna and Balaram. 15th killing of Puttanashura by baby Krishna during the feeding of breast milk. 16th killing of Trunashura. 17th killing of Sakatasura, that is devil bullock cat. 18th leave of Jamalarjuna from the gods by Lord Krishna. 19th killing of the huge king cobra by Krishna who has made the total Yamuna river poison. 20th killing of Bakasura. 21st killing of Sandhasura, that is devil Aksh. 22nd is killing of Kesisura, that is devil horse. Then Krishna uplifted Giri Govardhan mountain through his little finger. Then killing of Arghasura, that is devil crocodile. Stealing of clothes of gopis while taking bath in Yamuna river. Killing of Kansa. Then Ugrasena became king. Then Devki and Vasudev released from Kansa's court or Kansa's court cage. Then the middle part is Rasalila of Radha Krishna. Then there is a lotus which has many petals, and inside the lotus petals the different Basant rasas are there. This is all about the Krishna Lila.